Lenovo docking station flickering is a widespread issue affecting thousands of users worldwide. Understanding the root causes is essential for finding effective solutions. The flickering problem primarily affects three types of Lenovo docking stations: ThinkPad hybrid USB-C docks, Thunderbolt dock Generation 2, and Universal USB-C docks. Flickering occurs most frequently in two scenarios: when using 4K displays running at 60 Hz refresh rate, and in multi-monitor setups with two or three external displays connected simultaneously. The flickering problem stems from three primary root causes that we need to understand in detail. The first major cause is power delivery inconsistencies. USB-C connections often provide insufficient power, requiring at least 65 watts for stable operation. Power negotiation conflicts between the laptop and dock create voltage fluctuations that directly affect display signal integrity. The second root cause involves display protocol conflicts. USB-C 3.1 Generation 2 provides only 10 gigabits per second of bandwidth, which is often insufficient for multiple 4K displays. The third root cause is driver architecture issues. Conflicts between Intel or AMD integrated graphics drivers, display link compression problems, and Windows display driver model compatibility issues all contribute to screen flickering. Recent software updates have significantly improved the situation. The Lenovo Universal Device Client version 7.x series, ThinkPad dock firmware version 1.2.15 and higher, and DisplayLink drivers version 11.4 and above have shown substantial improvements in display stability. Understanding these root causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Power delivery, bandwidth limitations, and driver conflicts are the primary culprits behind Lenovo docking station flickering issues. Now we'll explore proven solutions to fix Lenovo docking station flickering issues, starting with immediate fixes that resolve most problems. The first step is updating your graphics drivers. Both DisplayLink and Intel graphics drivers are critical for stable display performance. Version 11.4 or higher for DisplayLink shows significant improvements. Next, verify you're using USB-IF approved USB-C cables. Poor quality cables are responsible for many flickering issues. Also ensure your power adapter provides at least 90 watts for stable operation. Refresh rate mismatches often cause flickering. Match your external monitor's refresh rate to your laptop display, typically 60 Hz for most business monitors. For advanced troubleshooting, Lenovo Vantage software provides custom display profiles and optimization settings. Also, ensure both your dock and laptop have the latest firmware updates. In some cases, registry modifications for display timing may be necessary, though this should only be done by experienced users or IT professionals. When software solutions don't resolve the issue, hardware replacement may be required. This includes faulty docks, damaged cables, or incompatible displays. These solutions show excellent results. Single 4K displays achieve 98% stability, while dual 4K setups reach 85% stability after proper configuration. Overall, there's been a 52% decrease in support cases. The key takeaway is that most Lenovo docking station flickering issues can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting, starting with driver updates and proper hardware configuration.